Hello, my dear students. Lecture number 7 for CBSE Board. Chapter number 12 Areas related to circles. In this lecture, I am going to explain you some example or remaining example from exercise 12.2, question number 12. Two one shape for underwater rocks. A lighthouse spread a red colored light over a sector of angle 80 degree to a distance of 16.5 kilometer. Find the area of the sea over which the ships are worn. Pi is equal to 3.14. Solution. In this case, angle of sector is equal to 80 degree and radius is equal to 16.5 kilometers. The area of the sea over which the ship are worn is equal to area of sector is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square is equal to 80 upon 360 into 3.14 into 16.5 into 16.5. Simplify this, you will get 2 into 3.14 into 5.5 into 5.5 and is equal to 189.97 kilometers square. So approximately it is 190 kilometers square. Okay. Question number 13. A round table cover and 6 equal designs. If the radius of the cover is 28 cm, find the cost of making the design at the rate of rupees 0.35 per cm square. Root 3 is equal to 1.7 given. Okay. Now radius of circle R is equal to 28 cm. Side of hexagon, now this is a figure, and therefore side of hexagon is equal to 28 cm. Area of hexagon is equal to 3 into root 3 upon 2 side square. So is equal to 3 into 1.7 upon 2 into 28 cm square. So area of circle is equal to pi r square. 22 upon 7 into 28 into 28 cm square. So area of design is equal to area of circle minus area of hexagon and is equal to 22 upon 7 into 28 into 28 minus 3 into 1.7 upon 2 into 28 into 28. So if you simplify this, you will get 2464 minus 1999.2 is equal to 464.8 cm square. Now this is the area of design and therefore cost of making design is equal to rate into area. So is equal to 0.35 into 464.8 is equal to rupees 162.68. Okay. Exercise 12.3. Question number 1. Find the area of the shaded region if PQ is equal to 24 cm, PR is equal to 7 cm and O is the center of the circle. So this is a circle with center O. This is a diameter QR. This is 7 given and this is 24. And this is a shaded region. Find the area of this shaded region. Okay. Now in circle with center OPQ is equal to 24 centimeter and therefore and PR is equal to 7 centimeter given, and therefore in triangle RPQ, this is diameter, and therefore this angle is equal to 90 degree, because angle in semicircle is equal to 90 degree. So this is a right angle triangle, and therefore area of triangle RPQ is equal to 1 upon 2 base into height is equal to 1 upon 2 into RP into PQ is equal to 7 into 24 upon 2 is equal to 7 into 12 and is equal to 84 cm square. Statement number 1. So area of this triangle is equal to 84. Now area of semicircle is equal to pi r square upon 2. So is equal to 22 upon 7 into r square upon 2. And statement number 2. In triangle RPQ, angle P is equal to 90, and therefore RQ is equal to this RQ square is equal to RP square plus PQ square is equal to 49 plus 5 76 is equal to 625, and therefore RQ is equal to 25. So this is the diameter, and therefore radius of circle is equal to 25 upon 2 cm. Area of semicircle is equal to 22 upon 7 into 25 upon 2 into 25 upon 2 into 1 upon 2. If you simplify this, you will get 6875 upon 28, and therefore area of shaded region is equal to area of semicircle minus area of triangle RPQ is equal to 6875 upon 28 minus 84 gives you 66875 minus 2352 upon 28 and is equal to 4.23 upon 28 cm square. So area of shaded region is equal to 4523 upon 28 cm square. Question number 12. Okay, today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear student, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comments if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.